this image from the internet into a streetwear print design. So stick around and let's get started. So this is a really beautiful picture from India. But I don't know the exact location where it was taken, but it just looks so beautiful. So I thought putting this into a streetwear print design just to experiment. This is not for sale, okay? So, let's get started. Okay, so first thing first, I'm going to change the image resolution to 300. There you go. Okay. And I'm also going to mask it out with the pen tool. I think this is going to take some time. So I'll speed up this portion. I feel this picture represents a certain person, or the people or the person who have taken this picture might have some other purpose, but we don't know that. I just find it beautiful and I thought to put this into a streetwear art, right? But I don't know how it's going to turn out. It might be cringy, it might be not so good, but who cares? Let's just give it a try, right? We are almost there. One more time, again, and here we go. We have already marked this out. Now we can place this in our design. And we go to the file, create a new one. I'll print this in probably in a 13 to 19 size. So we're gonna create a new file with this settings. Okay, so we have our file size over here, and I'm going to just copy paste it over here, and then I'm going to make it this a little more bigger, yeah, somewhere around there, and place it down, and then most probably I'm going to make it a little more bigger. This is not confirmed yet, but I just want to see how the picture is turning out. And then I'm going to put a text. I'm going to write women power for this. This picture says a lot about women, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to make it a little bigger here. Yeah, nice and heavy phone. I'm going to just put it behind this here, and I'm going to do an arc curve. Not so much, maybe a little bit. Distort this a little bit, and most probably, yeah, around there. And I'm going to just play around for a while and see how it goes. Okay, I think that's good. Yes. Alright, so we have our women power. I'm going to just place it again just to see how the things goes. Okay, I'm going to copy this and put it behind, and I'm going to make it a little smaller, somewhere like that. Place it over to this side. Well, yeah, that's fine. I'll change it later. We have to do a lot of tricks and a lot of placing so that we get a perfect layout of this design. So I think that's fine for now, and if you want to do some changes, we'll do it later. So I'm going to bring this letter women down again. I'm going to put on top of every layer, and here I'm going to type women power. Alright, so we have got women power, and the same thing, I'm going to just tweak around for a while and see what best looks good for this design. Maybe not. Okay, that looks okay. I think I'm just going to keep this for now, and if there is some changes need to be done, I'll do that later. I'm going to make this a little bigger. I think that's better. I'm going to just pull this, yeah, somewhere around here. Yeah, I think that's good. Yes, I think I like this better. And then same thing for the power. I'm going to rotate this a little, and maybe bring up a little bit above here. Yeah, I think that's fine. And then I'm going to delete this. I'm going to move this a little bit this side. I'm going to place this again this side, make it a little smaller. Okay, by this time, you can see it's all about placing all the designs together. So yeah, let's hope it gets better and better. I'm going to grab my eraser tool and I'm going to just erase this part. Oh, make it a little bigger. Yeah, I think that's fine. I'm going to just clear all these things up, and yeah, that's okay. Alright, so we're going to just rotate this power. I think that's probably right. Let's make it a little bigger. Yep, that's fine. Yep, this looks much better. Alright, so I'm going to put some smoke in the background. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some smoke in the background so we have that very vintage feel to this design. And to do that, I'm going to my brushes. I'm going to choose one of my brush. I'm just going to put all the smoke around here, over here, over here, over here as well, over here as well. Alright, yep, that's good. Alright, so now I'm going to bring the lightning. I'm going to put some lighting over here so that it gives that power message to this whole image. First, I'm going to check the resolutions. It's 72, it's not enough. I'm going to put it 300, that's good. Alright, so I'm going to copy this and paste it over here. Alright, so I'm going to place over here. I'm going to just play around and see where it does go well. Okay, so I think this looks better. And what I'm going to do now is change the color. Try to see and change the color for the smoke. So I'm going to double click on it and just color overlay. Purple, maybe not good. I don't know. Maybe try something else. Okay, maybe about this. What about this? No, it doesn't look nice. Well, we'll keep it to this. I think this is looking better. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so I'm going to do some changes here. I'm going to put the bevel and give some effects to our text. I think that is fine. We'll give it more and increase this more. Yep, I think that is fine. Yep, that's looking better now. Alright, so let's change the color and that's it. Alright, so I'm going to change the font for this power and choose something different. So probably something like this or probably something like this, but I think this is fine. Yeah, I'm going to turn this little like this, place it over here, and yeah, I think that is fine. And I'm going to copy the effects of my previous one and paste it over here, and then I'm going to change the color and give it to a yellow, and then I give a stroke. Yep, I think that's better. And then I'm also going to give a stroke to our women. Yep, that's better. Alright, so I'm going to go and change the color for our main character. I'm going to adjust some of the colors over here as well. Just play around and see what is better. And we are going to make it look more like a vintage design. So we want to keep it like very vintagey look. So we're going to apply all these color changes from our hue and saturation. we're gonna reduce some of the colors so that when we screen print this later, so we have all these other things going on. So I think that's good. And now I want to change the color for the background, which is the same image. I just put it a little smaller than the front one. I'll turn this into a black and white so that we can see the difference, and it will give us more depth effect to the overall design. And then make it a little more brighter. Yep, that's perfect. That's good enough. I'll do the same for the background as well. Something like this, and there you go. Alright, so we are going to do some final touch up to the design. We're going to clean up some of the areas and see where are some other things that we can improve. And after this, we can go and open our mock-up t-shirt. I've already saved this in a PNG file. I'm going to open this, and now I'm going to copy this and paste it over here. Well, that looks good. I'm going to resize this. Yep, that looks better right now. And I'm going to make this into a screen, and then I'm going to reduce the opacity to a little bit like this. Yep, that looks better. And here we go. So alright guys, so we have our design done. We have put this in our mock-up, and now finally let's see how it looks like in our other mock-up as well. Let's go.